My name is Josh, and I'm from Greensboro, North Carolina. Honestly, I don't feel confident in my driving at all. I always end up running into something anyway, and my hallway had all those scratches. I've never felt 100% confident in my driving, and I feel like LUCI would be a great tool to be able to help me feel confident in my driving. LUCI would have prevented so many of my injuries. It would have enabled me to be more confident in my driving at a young age, rather than now being a 27-year-old man and finally feeling some confidence when it comes to driving. Because I feel like I've always had to be handheld when it comes to driving, just because I've been scared to really fully embrace it because of all the accidents I've had, and I run into things a lot, so this would definitely help me with that. Since I've had LUCI on my chair, I feel a lot more confident when I'm out in public settings, because before I had it on my chair, I would get really bad anxiety when I was trying to drive in public spaces. I never really drove by myself in public before I had LUCI, so it's definitely allowing me to feel more safer. I haven't ran into anything like full on while it's on, and it's definitely helped with that. It's a good piece of technology, and it's a good kind of guide to have.